So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to set up leave accrual in Xero. So before running your calculation, you must subtract non-continuous service periods like leave without pay or parental leave from the employee's total tenure. So go to Accountant, then Reports, and open the Leave Requests report. This will open the Leave Transaction screen. Now configure your report filters. Employees. Just select a specific individual. Select Custom, Date Range, and choose Unpaid Leave for leave type, and then set to Complete when you choose Leave Status. Just note totals and repeat. Write down them. If the employee took multiple types of unpaid absences like unpaid parental leave, change the leave type filter and rerun the report to capture those periods too. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.